Police and the Humane Society had to turn to the Indian River Reptile Zoo near Peterborough after an unexpected find in a home where they had just executed a search warrant. The find, a number of exotic animals, including 2 alligators. Shannon Gatowski reports.
Zoo curator Bri Loist holds an alligator similar to the one taken from a home in London earlier this week. The other one looks a little more like this, more than 2 meters long.
The animal control had to remove the animals because it's against the bylaw, and the Humane Society had no proper place or knowledge to care for these animals, so we do that for them.
2 men were charged after the search, which turned up more than 50 animals, including turtles and iguanas, and a small quantity of marijuana. Lois says because the zoo is a sanctuary, they get calls from across the province to pick up animals like crocodiles and snakes, many of which at one time or another were a person's pet.
Sadly enough, 95% of every reptile that's purchased in a pet store within its first year or 2 of life, sadly enough, dies from improper care, which is very sad. People really just aren't doing their homework on their reptiles is what's happening.
The 2 gators taken Wednesday will be housed at the Reptile Zoo and put on display for educational purposes. Owning an exotic animal is not illegal everywhere in Ontario. Each municipality is responsible for making its own rules. In London, where the animals were found, and here in the city of Peterborough, it is illegal to own exotic animals. It carries a hefty fine of $5,000. Shannon Gatowski, Checks News Watch, Peterborough.